Your app just grew 50 megabytes. Nobody noticed. Not in code review, not in CI, not until users started complaining about download times. It starts small. A high-res hero image, a promo video someone forgot to compress, an unused font that's been sitting in assets for 6 months. Each one adds megabytes, and without guardrails, your app size creeps up silently. Archipelago's SizeGuard tool monitors every file in your monorepo against configurable size limits. Run SizeGuard check and it scans your assets, your packages, your build outputs. PNG over 5 megabytes? Flagged. Video over 10? Flagged. Add it to CI and bloat never makes it to production. Configuration is a simple YAML file. Define paths with glob patterns, set maximum sizes, and SizeGuard enforces them on every pull request. Catch bloat before it ships. Ship your Flutter app in days, not weeks.